Hello everyone, this is Akshay and welcome back to Tech Finders. So a new day, a new unboxing, and this time we are having a earphone from a company known as Syvo, Syvo. Let it be. The best thing which I like about this earphone is that it's having the Bluetooth version 5. Well, the Bluetooth 5 has already been launched somewhere in around 2017 on this phone. This is Asset Plus. Bluetooth version 5 was available on this phone, and it took around 1.5 years for the companies to recognize they have great potential on Bluetooth version 5. So what are the advantages if you are having the Bluetooth version 5 earphones? So there are generally two advantages when you are using a Bluetooth version 5 earphones with a compatible Bluetooth 5 version phone. So the first advantage of using Bluetooth version 5 is that low battery consumption. So the battery consumption will be very minimum and you can utilize your phone to the fullest. Need not be worried about whether your Bluetooth has been turned on and it has been paired with your Bluetooth earphones. The second advantage of having Bluetooth version 5 is that long range. So if you are paired with a Bluetooth version 5 earphone and a compatible Bluetooth version 5 mobile phones, it will give you approximately more than 10 meters of range, which is pretty great. So these are the two advantages of using Bluetooth version 5. Even though if you are not having a Bluetooth version 5 compatible phone, this earphone is also compatible with down version. Like if you are having a Bluetooth version 4.2, 4.1, even 4, then also you can pretty much use this earphone, but you will be not able to enjoy it to the fullest. For that you need to have Bluetooth version 5. So we will do the unboxing and review, and we will see whether this is the best Bluetooth version 5 earphone in 2000 price point. And to be very frank, in 2019 this is the first earphone with Bluetooth version 5 under 2000 rupees. So without any further ado, let's get started in this video. So here comes our box. It has a tagline which says that don't just listen, feel it. So it is powered by Qualcomm version 5.0 QC300 chipset, which is a very new chipset, and this is from a company known as Syvo Blaze. So we are going to do the unboxing and review of this product. The packing looks really good, and here we are having some more specifications which comes here. So it has a music playback time of 8 to 10 hours and talk time of 8 to 9 hours. It can go up to standby for 250 hours, which is pretty great, and the charging time is around 2 hours. It has a built-in microphone so that you can use your calls hand-free. It also comes with low power consumption so that it can last longer and it will not use a lot of battery of your phone. Ergonomic fit in design so that it can be easily fit, and it is compatible with every devices which is available in the market, whether it's Android, iOS or Windows. And it can connect to two simultaneously devices and also has a Bluetooth 5. At last, it also comes with an 1 year of warranty. So it's time to unbox it and find out more. So it has a very nice unboxing experience, and here it is. Boom. It also comes with a grip so that it can be slide off, and here you can see the Bluetooth headphone. It also comes in carrying case, and also some cushioning is there, and it also has a little bit of paperwork. The box is empty. This is all in the box. So here it says it gives a warranty of 1 year, but if you register your product, it comes with an extended 6-month warranty, which is great. So here we are having the user manual guide. I would recommend you to go through the user manual guide once. If you really want to use your earphone to the fullest, just refer to this user manual guide for once. So our earphones resides in this carrying case. Boom. So here comes the Syvo wireless Bluetooth earphones. Comes with a micro USB cable, which is pretty short, but you can charge it using this cable, and also an extra pair of earbuds so that you can use it according to your ear size. That is all in the carrying case. Keeping the carrying case aside, and let's have a look onto our earphones. The build quality is pretty great. It also has a comfortable TPU made ear tips, which would be really comfortable once I put it on my ears, and I will see how they are gonna be. So here we are having the volume up, down button, and also the main button. Wow, so that's great. So now we will do the sound test and button test of these earphones. The pairing process is really very easy. For entering into the pairing mode, just hold the main function button for 6 to 7 seconds and you will find that the LED light will be blinking. Now turn the Bluetooth on your phone, and here it comes. Syvo Blaze. Boom. Wow, that's great. Boom. So we have done the pairing. Now let's see how the button functionality is there. Let's fire our music app and let's try some of the songs. So here it comes. And first we will test the play and pause functionality. Boom. It's very snappy. You can look into it how good the play and pause functionality is. Wow, that's great. You can increase or decrease the volume up and down, which is really great, and it's very fast. Apart from that, if you want to change the track, just hold the volume up button for 3 seconds, boom, and you are in the next track. If you want to go to the previous track, just repeat it with volume down button and you will find that in previous track. It's really fast and snappy. It is easy to wear and you will find that they're pretty much comfortable on your ears and they fit perfectly in your ears. So there is no problem, and even if you want you can use it for gym because they are coming with an IPX7 water rating. There will be no problem and they do not fall even if you shake or do vigorous exercise. Let me show you here. So I'm shaking, so this will be a scenario when you're doing exercise and there is no problem. So talking about the sound quality is also very good. Well, it's very difficult to find a Bluetooth version 5 earphone in 2000 price point. So these are a very comfortable earphones and the sound quality is pretty great. And if you're looking for deep bass, then these earphones are there. If you're looking for a Bluetooth earphone with version 5.0, good battery life, IPX7 rating and good bass, then these ones are for you. If you want natural sound and crystal clear vocals, then I'm afraid these ones are not for you. And if you're asking me about these earphones, I would highly recommend that if you're having 2000 price point, just go and purchase these earphones. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you really enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can receive latest video notifications whenever I upload a new video on my channel. And also, if you want to know best Bluetooth earphones and headphones in different price range, I have made a dedicated playlist for you. Go and check that out. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and catch you in the next video.